We'll guide you through how to make a new folder on a laptop in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Folders are a great way of organizing your files. You can make different folders for different things, for example, different years or different parts of work. For example, you could do it for subjects like math, English, science. You get the idea. So first of all, you need to go and decide where you want to go and have the folder. So you may just want it on your desktop, or you can go and open up your file explorer at the bottom of your computer. And in here, you can go and navigate where you want to go and have the folder over to the left, for example. I've come into my documents. In this case, I'm just going to do it on my desktop. Go and right click. So on a trackpad, you click over here. On a mouse, it'd be the right button. Click on it. You then get a list of options and you want to go and find the option for new and hover over it with your cursor. You shouldn't need to click anything. And then you can come up and you'll find the option for folder. And what you can then do is go and click on folder with a left click, and there it is. Name it what you want and you can click off of it. And then what you can then do is go and drag things into it. And of course you can go and open it up and go and access it.